All right, let's look at this characteristic equation example. All right, so this one is kind of going backward. They give you the solution of an unknown differential equation, but we need to kind of construct the differential equation from the solution. All right, so let's do that. All right, so solution is y equals e to the x times quantity c1 e to the square root of 3x plus c2 times e to the negative square root of 3x. All right, so I'm going to distribute e to the x to each term so that we can find r1 and r2. All right, so this is going to be equal to, all right, so you have a c1 here. Right, if you combine that, so you're going to have 1x and also square root of 3x. So I'm going to write it as a quantity 1 plus square root of 3x. All right, so there's a c2, same deal. So you have e to the, it's going to be 1 this time minus square root of 3x. All right, so you can see that R1 shows up right here. So this is going to be our R1. And here, this is going to be our R2. All right, so we can construct the characteristic equation this way. So characteristic equation. So all you have to do is this, right? R minus R1 times quantity R minus R2 equals 0. So we get the, let's see, R minus, all right, R1 is 1 plus square root of 3 times R minus, all right, 1 minus square root of 3. All right, is equal to 0. All right, so let's multiply this out. So we're going to get the r times r is, of course, r squared. All right, r times negative quantity 1 minus square root of 3 would be negative 1 minus square root of 3 r. All right, so negative quantity 1 plus square root of 3 r would be negative 1 plus square root of 3 r. And then plus, because it's negative, negative, if you multiply it out, you're going to get, so this is a plus b, a minus b. So it's going to be 1 squared plus b squared, actually it's going to be minus, sorry, minus square root of 3 squared would be 3 is equal to 0. And if you clean it up, you're going to get r squared. All right, so in this case, we can cancel. All right, there's going to be negative negative square root of 3. So it's going to be negative positive square root of 3. So these guys cancel out. So what you end up getting is negative minus r, another minus r, so negative 2 minus 2r. And here it's going to be 1 minus 3 is negative 2. So this is equal to 0. All right, so this is our characteristic equation. So we can convert it into a differential equation, so which is very simple, right? So therefore, the differential equation we're looking for is going to be y double prime minus 2 times y prime minus 2y equals 0. All right, so we have the corresponding differential equation. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.